Oh yeah, it's happening. Airplane. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. It's just so much energy. It's crazy. So excited, I'm running over there. Good morning and welcome. I decided to explore a little bit and I came across this river. This is a town and it has a park right by the river. How cool is that? And I think you can dip your feet in there. Well, I'm gonna try. Oh yeah, it's happening. I'm definitely putting my feet in there. I'm gonna show you across the way. There's people that have their chairs like right next to the river. Man, that's really cool. Airplane. See across the way there. Somebody has a chair and an awning, or a few chairs and an awning. And over on the other side as well. 2 chairs right by the river, so you can literally, I think I'm gonna do that today. I think I'm gonna try to come down and do that today. That is beyond cool.
All we have is nothing, sometimes nothing's all you need. When you're stripped of all your armor, you can finally feel the breeze. We're living in the moment. We ain't got pockets full of money, but we're rich in other things. This highway is our living room, we're swimming in the mystery. We're living in the moment.
This is gold. I love this. I can't imagine starting my day better dipping my feet in the, I was gonna say pool, in the river. It's really nice. It's so refreshing. Plus, you know, I've been walking a lot yesterday, so I wasn't able to take a shower fully, but at least got my feet wet. Maybe I'll come later and really dip into this river. Back to do some more exploring. May come back to this river later on today. We'll see where the day takes us and we'll decide then. Okay, we're on our way to check out a potential camp spot. It's actually supposed to be right by this river. I've read mixed reviews, but it's 15 minutes away, so I'm just gonna check it out and see for myself. Okay, thank you, Google. All right. So we're being stopped at the road, but if you look ahead of me, that's another van life for y'all. All right, hopefully it doesn't take too long. So I hope 15 minutes doesn't turn into half an hour. I mean, if it does, it's early in the day. I have a few places to stop and check out that I made myself on the map, but I'm not in a rush, you know. We should be okay. They have pit toilets. The river is right there. I want to see if I can film it for you guys, since there's a boat raft launch. So the river is just right down there. There's so much potential here, so many camp spots. You'll see tents left and right. This looks pretty cool though. Okay, so this campsite actually looks pretty promising. I'm gonna go explore some more, and then maybe later tonight I'm gonna come back and camp down here. If I do, I'll take you along with me. Almost missed it, but we're here, y'all. Check it out. It's a tiny ghost town. we made it. Let's see how it looks like. It's got a lot of antique stuff. It looks like an old cowboy town. Let me show you. It's called Silver City Ghost Town. And there's a wheelbarrow. Ganapati, of course, right here. How cool is that? Wonder if they have shops here or it's just a museum. Look at that. I am definitely starting to enjoy coming to small towns that have places like these. Like an antique shop there. I'm guessing they are open. It says open on there. Hey, how are ya? So this is a cowboy town that dates back to 1800s. Nuts. And it's haunted. Like, seriously haunted, they say. Hopefully I'm okay. That's an old Wells Fargo bank building. Banks were really small back then, eh? And this is the safe. I guess somebody cracked it already. I think this was a saloon of some sort. Really tiny back then though. Those are shops. The host here said that I'm not allowed to film inside. So I think because they're probably afraid there's gonna be a ghost in the pictures or something. I can only film outside, which is fine. It's still pretty interesting and cool looking. And this next building is the post office. It's right there. So they really had everything they needed. This is next to the post office. That's the general store. And they have violin outside, which is pretty cool. That is creepy, look at that. That's what I think. And then supposedly, this just gives me the creeps after this host told me. So basically this is the jail. And basically, supposedly there's a woman ghost in here that likes to pull on women's hair. The host told me that one time one group, one lady just started screaming and he heard her from the antique shop where he's at in the front of the store, and she ran to her car and stayed there. She was really freaked out, so he said I should be okay to go in, but it's just creepy to hear about, so I am definitely not going in. Alright, next one is the marshal office, I guess. There we go. That's pretty cool. What else do we have here? So on this building, it doesn't say what it is. It looks like a craftsman's building or some sort. So it's definitely creepy nonetheless. It just gives me the jitters when I'm like in here. Because every sound I hear, I'm like, What was that over there? He said also there's buildings like that one there. You see something in the window, but it's just a doll. But it makes it look. Can you see it? Where are we? So yeah, right here. I think you might be able to see it on a bigger screen. But saying people have heard glasses breaking, gunshots, and stuff like that. Pretty nuts, huh? So supposedly that's the second most haunted building in this town. That is the church. There's a bell right on top of it there. This is a saloon. It says saloon right over there. Where are we? Right there. There's a piano in there. This is the outhouse right next to the saloon. And this right here, he's saying it's the most haunted out of all of them. The green chair. This is also a saloon. There's dolls in there which make it look really creepy. So I'm guessing this was a bakery slash restaurant slash doctor. Walk-in doctor, no appointments needed. And if you see what it says here, man or beast. This definitely does give you the EBGBs, man. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here. It's just so much energy. It's crazy. I mean, I'm in the middle of the it's not even afternoon. It's not even 12 yet. It just gives you like so much energy. It's crazy. Like and it just keeps on coming. Like it's, even now I feel it. It's nuts. Alright, I'm gonna go and explore some more in the city. Okay, out of the ghost town, going back to Ganapati, and we're gonna explore some more. I might go dip my feet in that river pretty soon.
This highway is our living room. We're swimming in the mystery. We're living in the moment. We were born with gold on the inside. Gold on the inside.
Took a little break, a beer break. After seeing the ghost town, I needed that. So I'm gonna enjoy myself a little bit. Got myself a beer, local brewery, and then I'm gonna go over to my camp spot. I think I might have found ourselves a really cool camp spot. If I don't get stuck. It's right over there. always say that I might have found the best campsite ever. Well, I think I did it again. This one, Ganapati, is right over there. It has fire rings and everything like that. It's free. It has cell phone signal. So are you ready? Ganapati, like I said, is right over there. And behind is a riverbed. You know, it never ceases to impress me how if you do a little bit of research, we can find spots like these. And I passed by paid campsites on the way here. They looked really good, but no cell signal. There were a lot of people there. There's people, yeah, but there's not a lot of people. The road is a little eerie, so I'm guessing that's why. There's something in the bush. Hopefully it's not a snake. And other than that, I think Ganapati is fine to get out. I think. We'll see. Because I got stuck before. It was easy to get in. Let's see if we get out. But yeah, I'm gonna go in there and crack open a beer, dip my feet a little bit. Man, this is exciting. Oh boy, I'm so excited. I'm running over there.
All we have is nothing, sometimes nothing's all you need. When you're stripped of all your armor, you can finally feel the breeze. We're living in the moment. We ain't got pockets full of money, but we're rich in other things. This highway is our living room. We're swimming in the mystery. We're living in the moment. We were born with gold on the inside. Gold on the inside. We're alive.
All right, everyone. I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thank you for coming along on today's little journey exploring. If you did enjoy this video, like always, don't forget to hit that like button, share, comment, and I want to invite you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Until next time.